Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage team collaboration with Slack. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Slack application or website. Log in with your credentials. Create a new workspace if you don't have one already. Click on the Create a Workspace button. Follow the prompts to set up your workspace name and purpose. Invite team members by entering their email addresses. Once your workspace is set up, familiarize yourself with the interface. Navigate to the left sidebar to find channels. Create a channel by clicking on the plus next to channels. Choose between a public or private channel based on your team's needs. Name your channel and add a description for clarity. Invite team members to the channel during creation or later. Encourage team members to introduce themselves in the channel. Start a conversation by posting a message relevant to your project. Use threads to keep discussions organized by clicking Reply in Thread. Utilize mentions to directly notify team members when their input is needed. Share files by dragging them into the message box. Use the Files tab to view all shared documents in the channel. Set up integrations by clicking on Apps in the side. Search for and install tools like Google Drive or Trello to enhance productivity. Customize notifications to avoid distractions but stay updated. Access notification settings under Preferences in your profile. Host virtual meetings using Slack calls for real-time collaboration. Use the search bar to find past messages or files easily. Regularly check the All Unread section to catch up on missed messages. Consider setting up recurring meetings in a dedicated channel. Encourage feedback and maintain open communication for continuous improvement. Celebrate team achievements to foster a positive collaborative environment. Stay organized by archiving old channels when they are no longer active. Remember to keep your workspace updated for optimal team collaboration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.